I'm Dan, and if you can hear this, I'm so sorry. I'll try and make it up to you. But it's the zombie apocalypse. Let's cook. Welcome to Let's Cook with UniTV. Today we'll be cooking food during the zombie apocalypse. So we've got all of our zombie apocalypse needs and necessities here. We've got oats, cereal, peanut butter, cashew butter, biscuits, lentils, pasta, canned meat, canned not meat, spices, and nuts. So today we're going to be cooking tomato tuna pasta. We've got tuna, pasta, tomatoes, chopped and puree, water, paprika, chili, salt, and sugar. All led to this moment, up to right now. The pasta's ready and it's really good. Now it's time for dessert. We're gonna need peanut butter, oats, biscuits, cereal, and nuts. Six peanut butter bites. What they lack in dexterity, they make up for in taste. Oh.